So I believe we will learn one or two things from these videos, because this is what some of us actually do also. Where you pour your life at. So always
only $8 and they are spinning like that.
So this one here, this one is buying AUD. I mean, it's selling AUD. I believe this should be a news. You see, it's selling. You have to look at the equity. See, it kept up there,
the guy is so sure of the direction. He's like, it has to be a sell.
Yeah, it has to be, and he's chanting.
If you are trading news, you have to be your hand has to be on the mouse. You have to be ready to exit anytime.
The guy is in chat. Sir.
If your broker doesn't mess you up, as soon as
the guy will be happy now. The guy will be happy now.
To see, sir.
You know, the guy to close it. Oh man, this thing happened to me with Nova account exactly. How much?
See this there as well.
This is how my Nova account like.
That was how I entered yesterday.
My Nova account caught fire like this.
Are you with that? Are you with that?
Why is it this one? So this one draw the support. Support.
So you want it to bounce from there?
Yeah, he wanted to break that thing. It's like
no. I think he wanted to buy.
No.
Yeah, the guy is buying. The guy wanted to go up, but
he bought. Then the market came back, picked his stop loss, then went back up.
He increased the lot size.
Look at $100 size.
My God.
That's it. Gone.
Cat fire. Okay.
Sorry, good. Oh no. No,
so
I can smell it. No.
This one bad. Go, call the stop loss.
No.
Okay.
This is new strategy.
AUD. Okay. Go sell.
This one is a go already. 70 profit.
0.7 lot size for $95.
On $95. No.
Oh Jesus. Yeah, I mean, this happened to almost anybody. This could happen to anybody. Look at this. Look at this. $217. Then you open almost 10 lot sizes.
Mr. Fundamental Piplot. Mr. Fundamental Piplot, guys. Shit, bonus spread sa itu. Ay, dideng dulu, dideng itu. Fuck you, market maker, fuck you.
So this is it, guys. I'm going for the USDC AD.
Okay.
And I went for a sell.
Okay.
As you can see right here.
$25 account. You open 0.75 lot size.
I hope it doesn't blow my account here. Let's see. I'm selling, guys.
Okay. With $25.
The guy said he's selling. Okay. And that guy is a market maker.
He's going to push the market down.
Join me, man. Let's push the market.
Let me just check his smoking.
The guy is feeling himself like, oh yeah.
Being out today.
Okay.
It's even okay. You want to smoke? Manual smoking of account.
Okay.
That's right.
29. Let's just wait for 1/2 but it should go down.
It should go down.
It should go down.
Yes, it should.
El Sequeza on the block.
It should. It should.
Mr. El Sequeza. Let's just see what this
El
$25. Let's just see what's going to happen. It's almost 1/2, guys.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
This must be live. It must be on live or something.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think this one account is loaded.
So look at this. He has
lost over 80K.
He has $5,000 a balance, and he has 30, 30, 20, 30, 30, 30 lot sizes.
This is crazy.
Man, but if this thing selling, child, this guy already made it.
Mental people, guys.
Oh Jesus! Guys, it's good to laugh, but at the same time, this thing happened to almost all of us, and that's why we just need to be very, very careful with our trades. If you are not scalping, put stop loss. If you then do over leverage, you cannot have $100 account and you are open 1,000 lot sizes, guys.
Okay, yeah.
It doesn't work like that.